Howdy y'all, today I'm doing some iPod modding. I got a working 5.5 video, but I would like to just change out the case and also install this Taptic engine to give it some more feedback. It's gonna need a new battery, gonna upgrade the storage, gonna just give it a new style. Gonna be a lot of fun. Might as well get started. Don't really need this piece at all. It'll go for the rest of my iPod parts. I got this large case that I'm gonna be using instead, and it's a nice red color. And they really kind of put it in this bag. Ah, there we go. Okay, let's start getting fingerprints on it. Does it have the Apple logo? Ooh, it does. Okay, cool. Get the fingerprints on it and such. Actually, that's not that bad. Oh, okay, there we go. Really, one of the things I'm most excited for is this. Let's get the mic in the shot. Got a nice red transparent plastic. It's gonna look real funky here with this like fully red decked out iPod. I'm really gonna need to start getting into this. This particular battery is 3,600 milliamp hours and is a lot thinner too, which is good because I don't have an iFlash kit. Instead, I'm just kind of gonna be using, you know, doing it the cheapo way, but that's fine. Let's see here. Before I was using this 64 gigabyte PNY card, but if I'm gonna be installing Rockbox on this, I'm gonna want a bigger card and also one from like SanDisk that I know is gonna work. Oh, now comes the part where I feel like I'm about to break this SD card trying to get it out of the packaging. They never really made this easy. Come on. Oh, okay, right. Yeah, I gotta go like that. Give me my card. There we go. I will get into this without any tools. Do I have tools? Yes. Do I want to get into this without them? Yes. Haha. Oh, oh, no, come back. Haha. 512 gigabytes. And this is the Taptic engine that was in an iPhone 7? 7 Plus, it seems. This thing will allow me to have some more feedback on whenever I'm going through the menus. Gonna need to flush cut these parts here though. There we go. Now putting together the iPod itself is relatively easy, especially with all the case. It's the Taptic engine thing that's gonna be a little bit more of a challenge. Maybe taking a couple things off, don't need this particular ribbon. Well, that's good because I just tore it off. I only need to do pins 1 and 6, so I don't need the ones in between. There we go. Soldering time. And now I'm really taping up this Taptic engine so that these wires don't come loose. Do I still have continuity? Please tell me I still have continuity. Yay. Now we're gonna need to remove this old speaker. Now we just need to solder these two wires to these two pads there. I think we are good. Hopefully that should be enough. Let's start getting the rest of this iPod reassembled though. We need to disassemble the frame from this. And we're replacing this click wheel with a white one with a clear center. Next comes off the click wheel, and the new click wheel will go on. Piece of paper for shielding. Ooh, I don't know if this is actually going to fit in there with that battery. Oh, I don't think it is. I think the board itself is too thick. I am going to have to get an iFlash kit. Well, might as well check at least to see if this thing can power on. I don't know why the camera makes it look like there's like some splotches right here and here. There isn't that on in real life. Well, let's finish up what we're going to do here with this iPod because I now have a iFlash Solo, so it's a little bit better than this, though this is much cheaper, but should provide for some better compatibility. And hopefully the recovery goes well too. Oh, and don't mind this little guy. This is so I can just use Bluetooth with this if I want to. I don't want to build Bluetooth into it because like, I don't know, I'm not a big fan of like tiny cheapo adapters you put in. The audio quality is not that great. And I would like to have something more modular. So pretty soon I'm going to be giving this a shot on some of my different players. And would you look at that, it's just working automatically after I plug that in. I'm gonna have to still restore it though because it cannot find any of this music. Well, there we go. Got Rockbox on it, and I also took off the filter there so that it doesn't look like a weird screen or anything. But yeah, as you can see, the screen's fine. It was just that filter that was doing it. It's a little bit hard to see what's exactly on here because of how reflective everything is, but it's really nice to see how the plastic is going. And also this theme I got for Rockbox looks really good with this particular case. So I decided to go with the red with a white clear center. The inspiration for this particular colorway comes from this N64 controller I picked up when I was in Japan. I should probably retro bright the back here, but I really like transparent plastic stuff, and the two-tone is really nice. In fact, last year I did a two-tone on my Joy-Cons, and this is pretty fun. So the more red transparent plastic, the better. Overall, I think I'm pretty satisfied where it's at, and also, ooh, the Taptic mod worked really well. It's nice to be able to actually feel the feedback now. So I'm gonna start using this as my daily for a little bit and just see how it plays. But that's gonna be it for now. So long, y'all.